Hi, you remember the famous quote that is the small amount of change it takes a generation to change, but the generation of change can be made within a small amount of time. So this is exactly what is happening with AI world now. The artificial intelligence world is changing like anything, and the new and new versions of the tools are coming up, and it is going to change the entire computing world. So you must have got. I am going to talk about the Chat GPT world. So, so the new version of Chat GPT, that is Auto Chat GPT, has launched just before few days, right? So let me just recap you about the Chat GPT. So in December 2022, the Chat GPT 3.5 launched. After that, the generation gap between ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4, it's a huge change. That change has been made within 3 months, and now the Auto ChatGPT, the new version of ChatGPT has launched, and it has not been launched by OpenAI, Microsoft, or any other big firm, but it is basically open source technology which has been, it is using the ChatGPT 4 as a base, and but it has included some of the more features which can be utilized by each and every one of us. So this let me just go through all these new feature that has been added to that chat gpt auto chat gpt, right? Yeah, so auto gpt has a features like, the first one is chat gpt 4 doesn't have a memory. So once your session done, you are done. There is no memory chat gpt 4 has kept with them. The second change, so that the auto gpt is working based on the agents, and it can create as much as AI agents they want to create, and those agents can be collaborate with each other in a very collaborative manner, and it can generate a massive information. It can generate a massive result for you, right? And the third change which people has brought, that is massive, it is a really good feature, that is auto gpt can connect to the internet and get information from internet, so live information they can get. So that means, if you have remembered the chat gpt 3.5, it was giving the information till 2021 only. Now auto gpt has a features to connect with internet and get a result for you. That means it can give you the real time data. So that means auto gpt can work for you as a financial advisor. It can select a script for you. That means it can select any share market script for you. It can work as a market researcher for you. It can create a podcast for you. It can create a structure of podcast for you. It can do a whole lot of things which any human can do for you. So so think about it. I mean, if you are doing any of these kind of jobs, or if you are in any of this profession, then the machines or artificial intelligence is going to take over all these jobs from you. I am telling you this because I feel this is alarming, because just 3 months ago it was just ChatGPT 3.5, and ChatGPT 4 has launched, and it was advanced like 10 years of age, and that change has been made within just 2 to 3 months, and now auto ChatGPT. So think about this advancement is happening in a rapid manner, and it is alarming for those who are not adapting this change. This is the right time to cope up with all of us with this change is being made. So make sure you guys all are aware of this thing, and make sure you also start looking at all this massive disruption is going to be happening, right? So make sure you make yourself as a disrupt proof for future. All right, bye bye.